daughter. Guys, share the video. Let me see now. Hi guys, help me to share. Honey America, thank you my darling. Help me to share. Yeah, another person see the bear my name. Yeah, somebody is bearing my name. Yeah. Guys, share. Let's analyze one video. Nelly, they call you. You they call me? I don't see him now. I don't see what up. You dey hear my daughter? So guys,
it's easy to
when I'm not saying I have come stop. They have bring my page back. You see, it's good when you are in one place. Leave that place is not good. You leave. Since I did with this woman, they carry my page where they never carry for how many years? They carry her. The Lord said, no, I have to set you free from there. I have to set all your children from there. I have to set you free. Immediately you reach a Salando, you will be set free. You will be set free. You will be set free. So guys, there's a question for you. This video, I'm about to play, yeah. I take it from Lolo, Tosho, Abi whatsoever be her name, okay? So let me play it and share this video. Somebody is asking me for marriage certificates. Oh my God. I want to come and preach to women. Bye-bye to iye-eki presenter. Oh yes. Bye-bye to iye-eki presenter. Bye-bye to barrier presenter. Bye-bye to presenter where they use juju to extort money for your fans. Bye-bye to put something for tongue and tongue to fan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Let's listen to this video. But I'm not going to go, on, you understand? This one, I don't have copyright for this. So, let's go there. You play. Or maybe get player. It'll lick away. We want to know.
Bury your face for shame, sharp. I tell you. I tell you.
Now the era.
Before you chant this old man where you take do, you don't come mumuna na.
Una see say. Una see say me. I'm not the queen insult somebody's husband. This ashawo He don't insult my whole husband. He say her husband na be mumu when they dey for kitchen 24 hours. Her husband will be house boy. Now the let me sit down, para. Because when I sit down, I this saga will sweet me. Let me fold my wrapper. I forget to wear my jeans so that because when I go start. Okay now. Ambrose was there. Somebody was insulting my brother. My husband. He never talk. He did there. They do house girl, house boy for there. He did there 24/7. Okay now. Let's go. Oh yeah. Okay, let me go. Mona they listen to Obegwe. Mona they listen to. Okay. He say your husband na mumu. How it be mumu? My husband goes school, number 1. He's a nurse, number 2. A professional is a nurse. He's still reading to go more about doctors and all that. Okay, my people. Who be mumu? My husband know they enter kitchen. You know they enter kitchen. Now me be wife. Now me they cook for her. According to demand. I know they command my husband. You see, this good man, now they call my husband mumu. When we have Miss, they say you they quarrel with Monica. I say no, now they quarrel with me. He say you won't call her. Now me stop her. I say don't go there. Don't go there. Anytime when me and somebody have misunderstanding, you want to bring peace. Sometimes it's good not to get peace. You will not know the reason why this woman do this. Maybe it's the God just want to set me free so that I can have my mouth. Because if you do something stupid, you cannot talk because you are there. You say, now I say, no, leave her. From there, you go carry all your fans. You go kill your page for you. You understand? Mama be for a reason, yes. When they hear me so, you call my husband Mumu. Mumu ma, now he come first you they get passport so. My husband Mumu. You first you get a pali. Because Ambrose give you document. Pash. I give my husband a pashawa. Your own na pash. My own na your na pashawa. You know what to be pashawa? Okay. You need that for party, Grita. Daddy. Una the hear, if not, let me turn her to another phone. Guys, are you hearing? Listen to me. Monica Ajala, aka Ashawogo. Listen to me. You say make I bring picture when I tell do okuku. No, I get okuku problem. In this land, I don't see the when we get okuku problem when you want marry. And not only that one, my marriage not be I take give a part documents. Yo, I don't know what you take that. Not be I do that take give your own. My own marriage I take give my a part documents. But that one doesn't matter for what you are saying anyway. It doesn't matter. You say make I bring my marriage certificate, my marriage okuku where I do okuku. Okuku na your problem, it's not my problem. Is it not better not to? Is it not better? My people judge this case. Okay, according to her, he said they not pay dowry for my head, which is I call it prison yard. It's prison yard. Okay, meanwhile supposed to they say, oh, I don't want to go to prison yard, but you said they not pay dowry for my head. Okay, let's assume what you say is true. But my pekus, another man not the same. My pekus, no man the climb except my man. My boyfriend, when you talk out, you say na my boyfriend or my man friend do. Another man not the no now only that this man I ain't know my Lego. But you say your dowry was paid, your bride price was paid, but another man are still climbing you. You are still using what they call a stick to support your pekus. How? When you are talking, you don't reason. You don't have sense. I know you don't have sense. Go where wazua. When you are talking, reason. Say you when they use cassava, they support your obegwe bola. Eh? You they support that one with obegwe bola. Me when be say, if to say your edede get man like my own, they know they go sleep with small boys. It could have been better. Is it not better, my people? Is it not better somebody wait they not pay dowry for your heads, but your book more akara, you close your pekus. Another man will see and then woman that they pay bride price, now another man they see, another man go give her cassava, make it hold her for him. Is it not better? Let man talk to me now. Not let me vex so. Talk now. Make una answer me, my people. Which one is better? Which one is better? I want to off this light. I want this one. Mona answer me. Which one is better? Okay? Okay, like this is okay. I want my natural beauty to come outside. Not those fake, this thing. Which one is better? A man pay dowry on his wife and is still sleeping around. They are still accusing of surrogacy where you do for somebody. Then nobody don't accuse me of surrogacy. Nobody accuse me you be a adulterous woman. Nobody have accused me you sleep around. Nobody, me when they not pay that report, I still respect my pekus. I respect them for my man. It's for only my man. It's for only my man. It's for only my man. How many times you want me to talk that one? But you now, they pay dowry for your head. You do a cuckoo. But you know, fit book money yakara, make you save, make you respect that bride price. Hello? Yeah. Fear the day. I not get. Lolo. I not get. But my pekus is well respected. My pekus no man the clan ban. Lolo. Hello? Remember, now me give a part document too. That one, is it not stronger than Dari? Hello? Okay. Me when they not pay bride price for your head. Okay? I'm still with a par. Okay? Children not involved. Okay? But I respect my pekus for only him. But you have 3 children you have 3 snakes for this obewe man when you put for us. You understand what I mean? Yeah, because you insult my husband first too. I'm coming for your husband, not be today. You know, all those when you take a water bath, you don't spoil a life. You not fit build that for Esan, not fit build that for Lagos, not fit build that for Benin. Now, that was not paying on me, but my pekus is okay. No man they smell am. But your own, many people accuse you as an adulterous woman, you that they pay what you're supposed to forbid. In Esan land, if you pay bride price on woman, you don't have rights to hold another bola. You don't have that right to hold another bola. Why they accuse you of sleeping around? You know why? Because your bride price was not paid. It was not paid. It was not paid. All right? It was not paid. Women that they paid according to Esan demand. If they pay, if you know insults or bolo. Don't me, I'm not going to insult a way. You don't know what to be a way. You don't know what to be goat. That man will be goat. That man will be obey. That man when he go drive, go on. When you know they walk, where woman they go use the pekus, they walk, bring that home. When the wife they open pekus 5 million. You say me wait. They'll punish her. The husband not the way they insult my husband. What be a ebagua. Yeah, ebagua. And not doing I seen you ambrose 10 times. I get right to insult her to nonsense. Now small boy, who's they complete 50 years here? Now what baburusua? Who's they complete 50 years? When he let his wife insult my husband, my old man. You know, Ambrose don't finish. The Chris. Oh yeah, hey, oh yeah, Chihuahua. He go wear native not turn to native. It be like he wear one native where it be like I be one soak. Oh, my good Samaritan no come. I be one soak club come for Ambrose. You know, straight cuts. I be one straight and come. Because all the obewe clothes where they so given, no one they follow your body. Oh yeah, Chihuahua, she go for his side. She worry kwa. You say make I no. You go loud. You dey crazy. Is it not better? Okay. I say, Monica, my dowry not pay, but my pekus, I respect her. It's for only my husband. And I marry her for court, yes, 100%. That's why I feel give her documents. If no, I not feel give her anything. You understand? You now, they don't marry you for court. They marry you for court. Not be arranged where you come here, they do arrange for you. You know when I know Ipa. That day you like for Ipa has come for Spain. Ipa come from Nigeria direct to UK. You won't take my husband. Compare that your Chihuahua with the small Morocco. Now you want to compare man when stand. You don't know what it is. He stand gada gada. Now me yeah, I bet to you. I want to be Ambrose. Ambrose, Ambrose, pay. Lolo, go ahead. Oh, good. Go ahead now.
But I can show now my body. I don't remove my clothes. I want sleep. Did I hear? Go better ask you.
Look, Lolo, don't let me and you quarrel. Come, no, they call me a didi.
Support say she gets.
Come. I don't want to make you kill her and I make her support her. Because you be one send her to early grave now. Listen, Lolo, if you want to come, you know they call me a didi. They call me a didi scatter. They call me a didi. I know they like her. Call me a the dog betting. A didi scatter. Iye no kwano scatter ya. Iye no kwano betting. No, they call me if they I know they like. Put that guy's name so that when they get power, they go, the valor. Okay now. All right.
Now me they give come a first class ticket. Now me they visit all of them. Oh ye poor. Oh I land who walk back. Now you see me. I don't ready. I want sleep. You see, I don't remove my clothes.
No, you play with it. Forget about your clothes.
Come and you bring bright price.
See, Monica, you want to compare this Odogu with your husband? You see, you want to compare this one with your Chihuahua? No, me, I'm not telling you who her. I'm telling you, Molekia, bride price was not paid. Monica, bride price was not paid on my head. But I respect my court marriage, my epagbola. Now only epagbola they do. But you when they pay bride price, you go forge a photocopy. When you take do, I'm a birthday girl, I still get the picture. I'm a birthday girl, those okuku one and they take the see people, cut her name. But you see they sleep against your husband. My people, who is the best wife? Is it the one they pay dowry, that's sleeping around, and me when they not pay dowry, that keep my pekus? Which one is the best? Which one is the best day? Which one is the best day, Zaka? But all the way they follow our God love, they sleep with small boys. They sleep with small boys. Now boyfriend that they get for them. Now boyfriend that they get, they know they get my man, they know they get my husband. Traditional marriage picture, you say, me, I go bring up. Go bring your traditional marriage picture. Go bring your traditional marriage picture. Go bring your traditional marriage picture. Fake. I love that fake.
Yes.
But you marry, you not respect your people.
For this social media. As I draw and bright price picture rich. I come better you and your children. We're not totally there. We're not well time.
We are not his children. We are a defender. We not be children, we be defender.
for marriage you. Who married you? They're not married you.
No, they come here, they tell me, I will slap you for you. I go slap you for you.
Marriage picture. Which day they marry, which day they pay your bride price. When I say make a couple, they bring bride price picture. Then you and your children.
See my bride price picture. Put Ambrose picture. Don't worry, we will arrange that one. People will arrange that, not be me will arrange them. People will arrange them. Make they put them with a part together. 7 years not good, not be 7 years. 7 years better now. The one where they not even put at all. You know, like 7 years good now. Hey, the day with his children. You really know say me get children. Ajala oh ane. Go wait your bonnet with the bay. Oh yeah, lolo, go ahead. Ajala oh ane. Obey. I not get. You draw me join now. You never see walk away. You may see. May I still draw your quickos. You know when I open it for quickos, I don't deliver. Okay, not be me. Not be me, they talk to me. We need to vote, Abi. Yes. When I say they talk to me, and then I mean they talk to me. I go there, go commit. Lolo. Today I find out trouble. I know draw you. Draw me. You not draw me, shower, eh? Muna not go for him. You not draw me. You not cover road to make it no bring marriage picture. I be one point. Now me be cover for him. I don't want no akpaya. Hey, Baba. Comment for my platform. Hey, Dede, your party where you cover for say make you bring marriage picture. Now he ask you, not be me ask you. Because the saga not be my own. Now you and your children are now cover road. We cover road for them, Mama. Lolo is very. Me and you, we don't do one good asset. Eh? Can't show your evidence. Now they ask you. Not be me ask you. Now your party where you cover the Lolo. I did tell you now, say I no get. Come on, me and you, we know they do saga. Okay, we know they do saga. Lolo say me and you no get problem. We know they do saga again. Keep on. Lolo, come call this side. Lolo, come call this side. I not get married certificate, but I know the flex. I not be a shawogo. Only my husband know my pants, know my brassiere, know my inside carcass. But you know, he pay bride price. He's a criminal. It's an offense. He's sleeping around. It's everything. Sagawena, agawetiti. One night, he lolo. Now make me they play this thing. Loleke alare. Loleke come. He say my cake was not sweet because it become for nights. As he come for night, now you see bitter toto. As he come for night without gola way they take do you where he say your toto na green, na black, and now I know say na night they do you. He say na green, na white, na black. They carry the gola they come now. You know say na me they do am. I for night iya mo ekone, ekwe mi awen iya mo ekwe mi awen. You understand? He don't try me now, we no work oh. Una hear na he say my pekus no sweet. Una don't see where woman go define woman pekus. Eh? Me when they not pay dowry, a dowry woman is looking for a woman that don't pay bride price. You understand what I mean? Eh? Mama, I beg, play that. Okay, let me play. Should I shift them back? Cry. You understand? Okay. They talk and now say you know marry. But bring picture come. You tell me sorry, shall you want to carry and put for my body? Well, yo, okay, the love you. Now me talk you went by Surema away. Go back by no. Show us the better. It's so funny that you the year of the two saga. Make you the say which day married. If you show me the same thing with the temple. Okay, now
Can you show us me? I'm sure she's talking. This shall not be a shade bracket. Okay, she's talking to Eko, but not me. Okay, sorry.
I hear you're sorry. Even though you not tell me sorry, no problem. Sorry. Good evening, sweetheart.
Hey, I'm talking to Unana. It is somebody biological mother needs to live in a way in what shit that. Hey, my God. Hello.
See my dogu.
Okay. I don't tell her sorry. Okay.
See my husband.
Thank you.
Wakame Monica no more other for la dia with a native. That one when Bobby and don't dry finish.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Is there make the dead picture come out? EJ.
See our picture na lolo we mono na grogima. No be by okuku that they talk. Now no go no. Even when they pay bride price for years, you not get passport too. My husband, when I just married, when he according to her,
It is better.
his passport will soon come outside.
It is better you don't involve yourself. See, better when me they draw like what did they call a cow rope? Bring marriage. Then they ask person for marriage. You where your husband say you get the food for us. Was the kukuma order? Was it a special order? Because he knows that you were doing a fiokodi for sale. So now they ask whether the customer order for kukuma.
Oh, see husband and wife, Odogu. See a pa when he old pass Ambrose. He old pass Ambrose. See my husband. You hear now? They say no Oluwole you do.
Help us arrange a call for them.
They say no Oluwole now you do. So now Oluwole marry you do. Now you come to talk to me. When you carry my husband, go on top of court, registry, sign and seal and dusted. No wonder you not forget documents. Are you not ashamed? You that marry, you get birth, 3 children, grown-up children. So tell your children now, they are now 20-something years. No document inside. No passport. Now me even can they teach you how to walk around. Go before you see UK this thing.
They change name for you. This one now confirmed divorcee for Netherlands. Now it be confirmed divorcee. I can't enter here. They go do Oluwole come give am arrange paper. Go take collect document for British.
Oh why?
I know the people will beg me for that thing.
Eh.
I be don't put some sign inside. Plenty.
Mm.
Say, Lolo, I beg.
I trust you.
Lolo, if you do for Lolo, I beg. If you can't do for UK, now you can make it big now. Lolo, just they beat and they go. Just they beat and go. You see that paper, see Lolo, I beg. I know the people will beg me.
Old cargo. Come on, now old cargo that they talk for you now. Come on for my platform. Ojagwe. Ojagwe.
I don't gather evidence. Evidence. Done.
Ojagwe.
They proven to UK government say now fake Oluwole. May they bring tickets. May they bring picture. Where they take go do the marriage. May we see them. Where they for do the marriage. They come confirm. May they come show them.
They not they. He not they.
Who arrange come for them. Where they take do application for UK.
He not they.
Mrs. Ajala. When you see my passport said my name now Mrs. Alaribe. Shame, no let her open my talk again. Shame, no let her open my say now fake marriage. He not married. Shame, no let her talk. Now the fact way I say he use blindfold, take blindfold himself. He blindfold himself. When I do marriage, he still they shout. Now lie, now fake, now this, now that. I say, why not the bear your husband? Why not the I don't the bear my husband and I not bring extra money. You are very stupid.
Ogle is stupid.
Your stupidity not get part.
Ogle is stupid.
Finish. Uzu all the day. Every time she call herself Mrs. Ajala, Mona go notice and have bad luck before. That period then, here go they shake baga because even God knows enough fake Ajala, then you be. Anytime we take on himself Mrs. Ajala, trouble upon trouble, because God knows enough fake. Lie. Mrs. What Mrs. Waiting? Mrs. Waiting.
Help me answer.
Fake Mrs. You want call the ratio that with Regina.
Ajala, obegwe. Your wife say you be mumu. Now your wife talk am. He say marry you as a houseboy. Now your wife back her for you. Now your wife, it not be your wife say, because if it's your wife, it's not supposed to be. They accuse her for many things. They accuse her for surrogacy. They accuse her for sleeping around. They hold bola for men when he marry. Don't hear somebody accuse me say, he died. I give me something hold.
You know they work like that. You hear me? When I married, they asked me, "You want your husband name there?" I said yes. It was there on my marriage certificate, but my passport I cannot change it. Even some of my ID card now they still carry my other name. You understand? When we were doing our house process, there was something I had to do. I take the marriage certificate, take it to post office, verify it, and add it together before they carry my name like that. But my marriage certificate is there. That my next ID will be changed. My next ID card will be changed. Why my ID card? Why my passport name is different and my marriage certificate name is different? So I now have to verify it before I now post it. Look at you, Ozuanumako. Get out of here. They ask a day for marriage picture. That one shocked me. I don't feel loud now. Only one hammer lolo. Mom na see you. Mommy see you. Nothing that does me that.
Eh?
She never wake up. Then she never can do me that. Never can do me that. When I see you were the day hold door for.
Hey. Hey, I hold door for. I mean not for. Don't say that my body won't get power.
You with the children. You're not there who you know. They don't like ne wala we biye. The day we biye not there who you know. And the day they ask for marriage picture today. It's like a balance.
I don't block her, and no waste time.
This one, he made me laugh. I say, God. I begin to wonder inside my mind. I say, if they listen to this thing, and then if you tell us how are you feeling, since you're here, I don't mind. Can you tell us how you are feeling? Hearing this kind of Ogbonde Obodo Ngulai there. Can you explain it? Or you can do your video on your platform and explain how you feel.
I feel good, baby. I feel good. You forget saying Namibia got a good one of this land inside the saga. Lolo, I feel good. Because una be ungrateful elements mumu when they know they do good for. Who do good for now and the beat? You think I will regret? I never regret it. God know why. Everything have a reason.
No, those days, Mama they said something for front of us. And I see at that time, Mama get shit, but they said something.
Thank God say you said no say Mama get shit wait for the say something. You not go do okpo for Selu market where they say yam.
So if you like, do again. They say 3 times I won't use.
Monica usungu toregbe. You can lie. Ebokian gbuwe.
Which is the one that sent me for sacrifice. Can you show us?
Yes, he's asking me how I feel. I say I feel good.
Was it on Sky News? Was it on Ebokimi television? I bet you taste here.
Men help me answer.
Reality. Our time when a baby me na make it time. He will record the voice. The best way tell me say in Bobo Eruwala picking bone. I get that for audio. He one more in a way. He can't tell me your bomb would do them and he may be dead. Auntie, record that for you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Evidence will be on the ground.
You don't have evidence. Unoji.
For people, when they go say, who tell you, I go say, I say, no, they talk. Before I go talk, auntie, evidence need to be.
Yes, sir.
Even though you want to run, I'll play your up tonight. The person will tell me this.
Yeah.
You never bring that time. They tell you say there. Why do you not bring evidence?
Evidence not there.
Audio day. Audio.
Mama, you Monica, I no go swear you because you go buy you. You don't know how many you do. You don't see what they worry now. When they play, something they worry.
He said, no, not be like that.
I feel good though. You know, say if that they accuse you for something that is not, is a when you know say this thing, this woman is lying. Now you go feel bad. If to say what they talk not true, I don't feel bad. I know all the man full of lies. Not buy, not buy no.
Funny life, very funny. Now, so red passport they had. I got my red passport exactly 3 years.
You understand? When now because of a COVID, make una they follow, make they follow you since. Anybody wait because of a COVID follow me, or you come up for you. Come up for you. If I never offend you, just come up because you don't have your own choice. You be remote control, delete you.
We don't get our pre-settled status. As we they arrive like this, that's how our daddy bring out everything.
Yeah.
That's why you apply for all of us. Everybody get this status. All of us don't get. Will be official 5 years.
I need my own fans. I don't need anybody's fans. I need my own lover.
5 years in the UK.
You understand? So that if I'm still doing good, I will not say I'm for my lover. You understand?
Yeah. Was it last year?
Ambrose will not let me go.
Just shortly before we got our home.
Ambrose no bedway. Ambrose no roto toko. Upon he no lalo. Obu kaya ye genya. What is this? Not for my phone.
When they say, oh God, I've done it to the next day, it was just a
I love you, mommy. Na me love you pass. Adi. Adi, na me love you pass.
12. Was it 12 December time? Oh yeah, it was on the 12th of December.
Oh, the one you know me now. You know me. Otomena base when all does not be. I not be like the way they put you for Otomena book.
That is due for his indefinite status that he should apply. You now look at it like, oh, I thought I will do it, but since he's here, on his phone, no.
If to say na Bini Monica married, do you think all this news and he will do it? Because you know say don't sit down for Ambrose now. Emio go see, Emio go boss.
12 in the evening, we got our letter from the bank.
Thank you, Rosie. Thank you, my love. Rosie White, congratulations to me. Rosie, you see my page is back.
So on the 12th, we got that letter. On the 13th, on the 13th or 14th.
Echo better can lie. He lie too much.
He go and send me letter that.
Echo better way be say all the way that take go put man for person bola. He dey with us. Now me beg me they not play.
Oh, I was so happy.
I beg. My daughter dey here now. I beg her. La wo. Princess, thank you. I beg, no player. I beg if I lie. He dey here now. He can say okay, mommy. Audio for Sakwa. No, amunu yekie. Thank you, sweet. Hey, thank you, princess. Thank you, love. Thank you. I love you, baby. You understand?
Now this one be the thing where she dey happy for. Oh, now so that video I don't go forget that. When I see, I say, God, waiting be this woman problem. Say me no progress for this UK.
You know the year round. You know once here who they progress. Now wahala.
That was my way set up things before with this year. You say when you come better person. Your poor way they tell you say go work. Me love work be no go. I'm you. Oh, now so. Now this guy get. We don't already get her now. He even get her now.
Whereas he not get to. Now me can't the teacher how you go take get her.
Even when I know they look you.
I can't the teacher how you go take go for it. Even this pre-settlement, he was not having pre-settlement. I can't use that and teach people so that the rest can learn from inside. Who will be me say well, boy. Now your good will buy you.
This July, you know they take all those
Oh, well, it's not true.
as soon as we clock and the first thing they do apply. All of us don't get indefinite stay to remain in the country. Me no say you don't turn to iye-eki. Iye-eki member. Whether they can't give you
information. But winchi, I give you food to chop. Winchi, I buy all the gifts for heaven I give you wear them. You not say me my mama not buy you.
Yeah. Oh, come man. That mama quite what we see one time, even though no show and finish. Oh, salad one. Hey. If I am talking to you, Papa said,
your papa went fight for trailer driver. You forget. Your mama went chop your brother. You still make your brother blind. You forget. Your mama where they say yam. Not be there they sleep with her. You see how your life be for Europe now. All the men sleep with you around. My mama don't be a doctor's woman. In children don't be a doctor's children. They not tell my mama say another man make it come carry pikin. Monica. It go when you smoke. Then they worry you. Ambrose was food. Go on you drink. If you are born la we Ambrose be. We Ambrose wow.
Okay.
You see yourself? Una not say if na person tell Ambrose with his wife, he go run kitty go do wayo juju. Wayo juju when he newly go join. After swearing, he go come coordinate for back say la wo in my bar way social media no. You not dey. Wa go. And what's that? You not see the wait. Oh, this thing at the table. I won't show you your asshole. I won't show you your asshole. Hey. Okay. Mona wait. Mona no verse. Wait. Wait my what's up? See where they beg go.
Hello, my lovely people of iye-eki. Now, wife Monica Ambrose.
You are not iye-eki wife. You are not even his wife.
Una wife. We get problem with our sister Mama Beatrice, where we they call Beatrice okojie of iye-eki. Where we got a quarrel for social media. She can't tell me bad thing. Carry my mama grave.
Your mama get grave, not letting you go.
Too come look for what I want do. I can't go touch you na king where I don't know. Say na king.
You know say na you start time.
I don't feel that.
Boy, your pie.
But I just still want to do it again in a proper way. This time only for you. Baba see me for me down. I beg.
What the way? In the down like slave there.
I don't know.
In the down like slave for years. Unueve mu ene Monica. Unueve si we here. I get all your details. It's still in my phone. When me or begbe. When me. Oh, shineke me. And they come. Let me show you your house. Yeah. Hey, wait. Sorry, guys, I'm coming. Oh, your una house. You know why I want to play this thing for you to see. Your house full of juju. It's full of evil things. You still dey get mouth. You need another one there. You still need another one to join now. You need another one. Yeah? You wait, they say, I want to go sweat. I want to go sweat. I want to go sweat. I don't know where they go. I want to go sweat. I want to go sweat. Not be your house, be this. You see your house? Ulele bonoto lele reba. Ulele bonoto lele reba. You see your house? It's full of evil. It's full of juju. They are dropping it there, dropping it there. Drop, 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 drop. It never satisfies you. You are still getting. Why can't you travel the way I travel? Whether the day when you step that feet or your that house, whether not be that day they will carry your graveyard, go join your mama. Eh? Whether not be that the ambrose go wear black clothes, follow you. Eh? Whether not be that day they go put ambrose for grants.
They said that what do I miss? EG.
Eh?
When I watched this yesterday, I laugh. I said, cha!
You can lie?
Oh, come here. Can you bring evidence of it?
You don't have.
Evidence. We want to see evidence.
You don't have. Not only evidence for fashion where they sleep around from Netherland. Now it gets.
Everybody is learning. When I say
You don't have proof.
Can never.
You think if na Benin woman, in with her they do this saga, they for not drag her.
I do wicked. No. Can you imagine? I know they do eye service now.
But my drag you, you know. I know they drag you in Dagbo, na secret, and they drag you. Yes, that whoever. If I don't beat you for night, finish like Obiasen. They are
Reach that age.
Yeah, you will cry, come outside.
I can see. Go you come for there. Go carry the day. Go carry baby. No one will know they carry all this age fathers and mothers way she did right so now cause for her.
It's already a cost to her. No blessing will come for her.
You shall see her end. I did tell you.
Saga killing saga.
I did tell you.
Cakes. Yeah.
Tomorrow you go start to the shadow. I not do the anything. I not tell the anything.
That's what they do.
Do nothing. I'm a really good man.
You know, say for Ishalan, if you be that they pursue
But when you drive your mama come up for your house, my house. First husband. My people. When I know say Monica mama, the first husband, I wish they take driver.
Inside kitchen where I come better they phone they talk so. Now there's somebody from the shave so now they hear machine.
Inside kitchen, now Ambrose go shoot put, now go piece put, now go for shave, now go for eat, now go for bath kitchen.
Mona, listen to the background news.
May they ask you, Obiashago, your mama first husband, what you drive on there? Your mama first husband, what you drive on for there now? Can't tell us. Not be which they take driver. After I don't chop all the 2 children for there. After I turn your senior brother to slave. After I turn that one to Chihuahua. Not be the driver. I not pay my for.
So for inside that kitchen where you they cook, now there this person they shave for inside that kitchen.
Because I been when now. Because I been when.
Which kind of dirty family be this one?
Over. Now so it take the smell, oh. Now so it take the smell, oh.
Sink where they wash plate, now that person is for the shape.
Mona they listen, may I call a rent table, may I tell you now, the way we take party. I be saying that one I will do last. Make I can't tell you now, the way we take party, oh. Party! Party, oh! Party.
He said so the visitor is planning to stay there. Nija, you just they come. Are you just coming?
Party.
Just coming. Are you just coming?
And they come.
Okay, I be the show now. Where?
Party.
Do they see the kitchen? You see the kitchen.
Yeah.
Party.
Now see the reason why she no get washing machine. See where is supposed to put washing machine, but you not put washing machine.
Oh.
Oh yeah, just coming.
Party.
My God. See where she's supposed to put washing machine. She not put washing machine for there.
Where?
Which
Which one day? I want turn. Mona, they look. I don't know if you can see this table. Can you guys see it? I don't know. Lolo, wait first, man. Lolo, wait, Mudia. Don't give me. Lolo, don't give me. Wait. Okay, stop. How many people? Can you guys see me? Let me raise that osmo so that you people can see very well. You know, for example, now, you know, say when they come from outside, let me say they are coming to us. Can you see me? Okay, I will be turning on up now. Maybe like this, they were coming for outside. Me, I think say man go waka like, you know, like Odogu they come. I can't see brother. He hold his hand like this. I can't look at. You know, say the eye when it blinds, you know they close though. The eye when it blind, you know they close. He open like this. If the picture when he post, Mona go look the picture where. The picture when he post to, no say brother open eye like this. He sugar nyaho. Not be that they come. Bros. It is a tota. Minata. Yeah. See me oh. Wagelea. When they see me? Yeah, we tota. When it pass it down for that side, that corner, so that corner. It pass it down for that corner. So nobody say. Okay. It pass it down for this corner, so you know. You know, say table now, all of us go sit down for the table now. You understand? We be four now. You hear me now? So, Manati, bro, sit down for there. It is there, where? We don't tie, right? Oh. You are you? I'm like, oh, bros, are you okay? Yes. You will eat meat. You know where, bros, the meal will went back, you know. Now we back, we now move Bobby Nana. Okay, there. Yeah, what better our people. Who be that? Who they call me? Who be this? Wait for the ring. Hey, no, nah. Oh. Hello? Hey, you won't cut my show. Hello, tell me, quick. Who? Tani, I bet leave that thing. Leave that thing. I want to wear iye-eki nigerian azen. Go na. But I know, leave that thing now. Leave that thing. Me no get what I do. I dey come. I do anything. All of my eye not reach. I get what I do. I talk about her. I gossip to her. Where everybody dey vex for me say I settle with her. You don't see me say I don't use man spoiler. No, let me demonstrate my party when I go. I beg. I dey go party for this UK. Without presenter, never enter party for this UK. We know the see quarrel. Yeah, let blogger cut this one. Now no say. This one na meat. Meat there for table. After I don't make it. Una dey see me well. I beg. Una dey see me well. Bros, are you okay? Yeah, me what they okay, me what they okay. Me what they okay. Bros, say me go na. Since I know say he begging na mo go. Oh. Oh, what now you talk? Where's he? No, game. Bros, game. Abi one we anwo. Wa me wa anwo ame. Okay, game. Bros, wait. No, we game. Okay. Where's he? Ah, brother, where's he? Okay. Una want go? Bros, where's you? Bye. Ije no kiyo man azen, o mai wa. Ije ne de no kiyo man azen. O mai wa. Atuari. Ije me nazen, o mai wa. Yo be 20 azen. Here e basuka le liam. Ha we ke 47 le liam. Here ni we be. Ije wa mo jano, I mai we fo. I can't make picture you coconut go. How do you go? Oh, how do you go? Oh, well, let's snap picture. Let's not. You know, all right. I'm not going to picture where you post. No? Anyway, bye, yo. Bye, sir. Bye. Hello, bye. Priceless, bye. Didi, bye. Wabera wabijuewa. Ijue nothing. Ukupone ya ho we basun. Bebe ukupona. Since we eki roba. Oh, uheni na eki roba ho basun. Now you dey give away some do. You dey give and do. Me when they not pay bride price. I know they do vaga up and down. I know they go sleep around. You went that now I put that radio be. Onaga we kia lega. Anaga accuse. Anati do surrogacy for somebody. Anati mo surrogacy. Ona we need that you know. What are you ne? Ekia. What ekia you know? Oh yeah, like. What ekia you know? Where? Ah, Baba we am buswa de yokere. How dare you insult my husband? Do you think my husband is ordinary husband? Do you think my husband is a man who cannot read and write like your husband cannot afford document for you? My husband is called educate man who go to university. Go to Nigeria. If my husband is driving on the way, police declare roads. If I lie, make God punish me. He's a senior officer. You know what it's called? Senior officer. Don't be able to judge one that sit there in the office. If they drive, they're gonna say that they do. Hold on. Oh, wait. We're by. We are Otion wow. I made diabetes family. Your mama, before you go to early grave, I don't go to early grave. Your mama will go to early grave. Are you hearing me? He go to early grave because one by one. And I want to Una say this wicked woman is the one that was sending Ivie to be insulting me. Now I know. He was sending Ivie. Una don't see where Ivie insult me. He tell and say stop. Eta. He not say stop. Oh, come if you were Rubio do, Meti Rubio Vivan, where Rubio do, Meti Rubio Vivan, if you tiebon in Ogia, tiebon Ogiogia, tiebon boy, tiebon your tea snake. When I'm wege or mono a snake, you know, why I was saying, baby. Grace, thank you so much. When you know, say the picking when you get for us, all of this called snake wawa. You know, say that they see scorpion. Then they say, your children is like a snake crocus. You come and open your mouth. You with ambrose ajala will be house boy. in there for kitchen there. You are insulting another woman's husband. You want me to shut my mouth so I cannot insult that your chihuahua that I know the day they gave back to him. Are you mad? You know I know the day they gave back to your husband. Yes, it's not even your husband. I don't know the name I can classify that man. Whether it's a house boy, I don't know. I don't know. Because only houseboy can stay for kitchen 24 hours, start cooking. When your mates, you are there making problem. They are not planning. Let me tell you the secret of this stupid woman. Enoge is priceless. Do you know the secret? Let me tell you. You people don't know the secret. When this woman see that since 3 years, they never give her a birthday gift. You go say if I drive okojie and if I tell okojie, go, which will favor me. I can able to be beating her now every moment, every day. You know me before, they know they describe me. He was happy because we settled. Because I wanted to come out the clitoris when they scratch her. The clitoris when they scratch her. When they scratch her. Your clitoris was... It is scratch her. I want to tell you. You know, since 3 years, they never give her birthday gift. You know, since when we settled, but I said they come, they withdraw their gift back. They can't withdraw gift. They can't withdraw the gift. They can't withdraw the gift. They can't withdraw the gift. Because the people they vex say, okojie cannot when he call us a shower, when he say we be laptop for Italy, when he no say we be now he say okay, I go drive him. I will take driver. If you go Nigeria, I'll just cause trouble between this word and Esther. So that we'll use that opportunity. Send her, say, okojie go. If you not join me, opportunity to me to say, go. After Nelly won't carry life, go to heaven. Nelly won't fire. Because they make Nelly, I beg now. Nelly, can you cut the other way I take beg you come outside? I beg now. 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 You won't buy somebody. I even the quarrel why you insult Daddy Cool. I don't know say the above told lady Daddy Cool. He let his husband, his wife, they insult my husband. This year, yeah, woman. You never notice say anytime you want to insult a monarchia mama, you go bring Ambrose mama, no book your home. But may I notice eh? But I notice eh? No fear who erabi you are no yaba ye baby. No fear, no kwamwa. No never notice. Nana, you don't understand. What do you have to buy for me? Washing machine? Hey! Everybody there abroad. Buy me washing machine. Some say na cash. Some say na broken plate. Some say na pot. Some say na keke na pe. Some say na abo bebe. Abe ye bobe ya kind. No gi. You know medicine is a something. When no go honi no babu. Or you go honi lay, or maybe no yam honi with it because now the woman be the help and plan how they will take give her gift, give her this, give her that. Immediately tell you you're sorry, that one wrong. That one wrong. Only will lay me we were. How about your well with Marco? I be Bambiala. I know you talk about Bambiala. I know by you talk about Bambiala. I know by you talk about Bambiala. This saga, what they do? Monica, I have a kind of page on one go. This saga, what they do not go carry people page you. You do me, I do you. God knows the rest. You find money, I find money. Not be so. Not be so. It be a guy not going to delay up by you here. My Asian people, if you are here, have you ever seen a responsible Asian wife? Responsible Asian wife. When Asian marry, put dowry, you go get stick for us. No, you way. A stick calls you way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Otamia, Omiquedoria. Oh, where? Buy Woriaria. Why you woriaria? How we buy if your husband go work? You no gay. Thank God say you come off for there. Hey, did they carry bola come and say, see what I dey beat am for? Now still bring come outside. Now that they are come the shift. You know, ben men lay. You know, I come the shift. I come the shift. I say, yeah. See, person where I say me no they bring cassava come outside. Now still they do. Warrior. Now thank you for now star. Warrior. He put bola for some useless Benin women and Esan women into a shower. Now I can't say I believe what or both talk. Or both say, go they drag the bola, go they drag the bola, go they drag the bola, go they. And I say, hey, if your husband go walk, if he can take rubber bola, not get boy, or not get him. If he can say women, if your husband go walk, give them you. I will work at eva. And I know we carry a book bola pu for tutu. Or both when he realized, say, or no bo. Yevetan, yo, when you go, wow. I beg, when they advise me, say, Mama B, leave her if you don't cause you go enter house. Are you playing? Are you playing? Are you supposed to shut up? Need book bed or who? No, lawa. You tell me, oh, Duma. No, you can't book bed yam no me lawa. Anyway, oh, here kuni me gualo. All those why you, I don't like her. People, when I love, if you want judge this case, no, go do like this. I don't want hate for anybody, please. Please. I don't want hate you now. I beg. If you want judge this thing. Not call Frank Victor Moswo here. I don't agree. Frank Victor is my body. I don't like her. Because if I see a chance to settle Frank Victor with a nogi, I will do that. Because this life, now one, I make an agboligbeye. This life, when we are now, hospital me now winner. Eruge after a real work will bandana. Where who do I regret? I for settle before we go. Now first make me settle with that idiot. Because we don't know, nobody knows tomorrow. If I see opportunity to settle with Tumenwa, I'll do that. We be one. We go to party, we enjoy together. You know they see there for Nigeria. Must we fight? There's many things. One thing I can't like a no for, as I tell her, say, stop saga, there's many things to do. See, I'm on TikTok. Sometimes they get almost 1,000 views there. Is it not better? Why are we fighting? Well, must we fight? Who are the big this one when he don't sour. When vibe don't come off for Pekus, where say in the Bekwa for 11 times. Hello, gay, you are in your boy. Oh, my wife, you are in your boy. Have you ever slept with your wife 2 times? Not by me 100 times. If a responsible woman, he with your husband play, he don't do, ja. I think it go like that. If the woman not satisfied, oh yeah, you climb up, you do, because man, immediately man finish one, you go tire. But if you woman, you know this thing, you understand me? Lie on top, do your wife, play. You talk about why you can't hear well, who will be quiet? Again, who be if they were not they start where you stop. Instead of chuki sticky, it's sticky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, also because a rubber. How many women don't do picorina? Who know what is called picorina? Let me see somebody sharp in the house. Is there anybody sharp in the house? Who know what is called picorina? Who know what is picorina? Who know picorina? Who know what is called picorina in Italy? That's you don't know. Who did there? Look did there. Come on for road. Umewa, whatever. What? By vanity. Who did there? Otherwise. Who Ude. Una bete. Wahala. Picorina. Yeah. Picorina is called backside. You know what is called backside? When you say you won't give your husband. Let me tell you. You know when you won't give your husband, you go bend down. You go bend away. How many people know say when you bend your culona, you turn outside down like this, yeah? Your husband wants to be bend now. Only bend, you see my leg? Bend. You know say if that bola, the rubber one, if now you do, you go put hair inside your body. How many people notice that? You women, don't be ashamed. You know say they not pay dowry for my, I can talk anything talkable. But when they put dowry for your head, now they sleep with rubber, now they sleep with papa wali, now they sleep with all kinds of men. Me when they not pay dowry, but me book more akara, me granny gwedi, me go. Okay, we dago. Odi mo pada go. Odo me ni mu be yo bo woko. Odo me ni he document na. Odo me ni he passport na boy. Men book power kara. Arasi ko memo. We may understand you that if they not pay bride price for you, you go sleep around because you lose your dignity. Hence you are under the roof of man. Close your lap. Bride price is not ultimate. It's your respect matters. See the way they are mocking her everywhere. All kinds of people. They are mentioning their names. That's why they want to silence me. Now, you can't silence me. Are you hearing me? Say you be a igbaganogogo. You think I come to you. You were happy. Now you don't silence her. He cannot beat you with Boriaria. What a warrior. Shawo nazigo yo igbe no ye flex here. And we got your own. I just sounds like here. You want to compare with yourself with people who marry Igbo? You want to compare yourself? Well, yeah, you know say that warrior. When they do, when Ambrose go tie the bed for waist, one year emekia, eki ni wune, okpayi. Wage you know ya go no remember. That yeah. When they say, and when I was push you to home, I push a yard carry one in again ya where you side where better Maggie, side where you side where better Maggie, side where better Maggie, side. As Ambrose wear the bet, or one new only sour, or what the Ambrose said, what they tell you, fool. Oh, leho yeko. Oh, go. Breeze they go in stomach. Ambrose. Yes, a snake or hero, a snake. When Ambrose is snake, ugly waki, you are mudia your way. Oh, waki. Oh, mudia your way or bolo. Yeah, really. Because here about Ambrose like be betting you know or you know a bar oh I fear oh yeah echo pumpa he tell you now say there is GPC secret inside the GPC all those secrets inside the GPC evani yana warrior now there they teach yourself for what's up before you enter there snap your pekos and span your kulu I put it there if be one con you know here say come to me for night he say my pekos on the street. But they sweet for man, not they sweet for woman now. Maybe the thing now. Because satane, gele, oh satane, oh gele, oh satane, oh hene, go God da for me no. Oh God da for me no. Oh God da for me no. Oh satane, gele, oh satane, oh gele, oh satane, where oh hene, oh God da for me no. Oh God da for me no. Oh God da for me no. Eh? Oh wenya. Osataine, o campus. Osataine, o Monica. Osataine, where public toilet. No. A public toilet. No. If back on yo, gang. Huh? Asaboro pay. Wow. You will regret it. This thing you do, you are going to regret it. You know how many people will give gifts for this thing when me and you do. You know how many UK people will buy me something. This thing I'm doing to you, sir. You know how many UK men that's proud of me that say you for not go there. You know how many gifts they will give me? UK, yeah, I go, especially those when you beat their mama. I go deal with you. Who's so? I wear snake, it's a snake. When you carry snake, a snake who, or you know, oh my, you were quite taboo. Upon what I give them, use Betty Tata, use this. Oh, yeah, oh, Mona see party where we go, it tied its stomach. How many people observe that thing? That party where we go now, it tied its stomach. But oh, you, boo. Me bege ne kweda wo pon atemi na yo wo gbedo e beti ni mi aya gbe ko be me ya gbo o ye fia e me ya gbe ko na ya kwa ya gbe ko Ambrose the snake. It's a snake. Ambrose is a snake. And he gave birth to 3 snakes. Yeah. How do you see that one? Ambrose go sit down, very useless man. He why go they call it some people snake. When? Who do you hold? If you see say the hand daughter, you go say I get visitor. You go say congratulations to me. Who award here? When you see say the thing done the weekend, you go say, I get visitor for us. Congratulations to me. This visitor, they not they see your face. So come outside. Let's deal with ourselves. If now you feel beaten, they beat me house down. I don't mind. But if na me you know na akpiko weni no tolo weni ye police le. I say no report page inside do. Na the yena. Na there emeare iwa gbewa. Iwa gewe ini. Eni. If not that I say wa me we. Look at this. Oh, they right. You know say I know they look on our comments. You understand what I mean? Snake. A snake you are here, not your echo. Also, now me echo, ye bam. What do me they do for this social media? If your breast too big, I will describe Brazil where you will tell so that you go find for me. You go find for me. Yeah. You go find for me. Yeah. You go find for your husband. Yeah. So that when you see, you'll say, oh, go and look at that. They're so proud. You're not your package. You're gonna. Why you money na kufia we want base isen. Eko beten. You not get. No worry, yeah. Ese wo bue. Ese ni unu wo bue. I don't want to spoil your business. I don't want to spoil your business. Osataine, gili. Osataine, gili. Osataine. Wo we na no. I got that for me we ya. So, do you know what I hope for Iruwala? What are you keeping for Iruwala? Thank you, sweetie Jane. What are you keeping for another man when he get wild? Oh, well, he die, we might die, not that from where he die. What? We will be a son for life. When they cry, say I go, it will stop. And I will cry, tired. You go and was told your picking not get salute. Why you not go do her there? Do you know that's why you people are poor? You like only yourself. You don't want to patronize another person. Only your business. Do you see the way Igbo people are trading? Igbo people, when you go to shop, you don't find what you are looking for there. You go to another shop, the next door. Go and bring it. That's why you people are poor. You don't have it. You cannot go to another person's salute and take it. Useless set of people. You understand? Now when they carry my video, they analyze, say, hey, here, it to say you're picking Ghana. If you want to see Morocco, no rebel. If you want my control, especially one already UK, why take control if you want? Everyone, but you are home. Mommy, shut up. My children cannot tell me shut up. Oh, now here, where mommy, shut up. You can't do anything. If you do something, government take over. You wait, they tell me, say, why you go and stop? Are you the one supposed to command me? Are you my husband? Are you my husband? Do you know if I go there, can't go and surprise my daughter? Do you know that? You see, as I go, I was tough. So I will still show me road where I will go, Calabrese. Because that's why you people are nothing. Rubbish. Only on myself, una know. At the second now, because I not fit carry for another person shop seller. You see you now? That's why social media full of evil. If I go and no get platform, I go comment. They say, oh, sorry, why did you go there? If you go retire, why did you go there? If you go Loleka, why should you go there? That saga don't come. Leave everybody to be free to do whatever I want to do for this life. Because not be gonna carry anybody come Europe. Una de here? Now na carry us come Europe. Huh? And look, if any day when Kobetes tell you say you not do ashawo, tell her say whether not being with she wife do ashawo together. Ski. Now you with the wife they stand for the same place. Now your information, I'm coming for you. Your information, how you tell live your life in Netherlands, I'm going to throw it away before you say Ambrose. Is it Ambrose is your first husband? Is it your first man? I'm asking you, that your boy jump for upstairs. Where? Is it not your boyfriend? Huh? Oleba. You motherfucker. Nonsense. If you say more with the clay, you can't carry cost. Give me first. You give me first, you not pay me. Just go give my mama. What the old woman do you? 90 years old woman. Is he competing with you? Is he doing anything with you? You carry children. When you know say if to say my pikin, the kind dress where your pikin wear when he complete 18, now people can show us. Edin no dia boss name, why you kion? Edin, why you kion? Edin no dia bubu, why you kion? 18 years pikin. The day you want to dress your pikin to go to club, na toto you say make it go sell. You just leave on. You are not telling her, cover it to, you know, the social media, they go screenshot her. And you know that thing is not good. You know that dress is not good. You are not teaching your pikin how to go do a shower. My daughter can never wear that thing your pikin wear. And you know, my daughter have fine leg. It's not bleaching. To God make me my people. When I see that my daughter, before it rock cream, they hard. They hard. If to say they rock cream, oh you wait, mommy, no. Natural. Oh you bleaching, baby. Oh wait, they're not the bleach. They are not bleaching. They are not bleaching. Me when they find cream when not they bleach up and down. You know I'm where no those super by your bone. Say sharp for me, huh? It's sharp for me. Say sharp for me, huh? Say sharp for me. Oh, wow. If you make my row, where we hear it, is it not better? Even though mama they fly, even though you see they fly, they will see where they go. Is it not better? If mama they fly, they won't go chop Monica. You will say, I know the house is going. But your Monica brother, if they go, you don't know what house where they go. Go just pass. Now there go they say, who they there? Whatever. Yeah, Osakpaloriba. Yeah, cure me. Wa we say with beme. You go why do you go beme wa wala wo? Yeah, oro wa. It is saga there, yeah. Why ma? If not be saga, no go give me star. Okay, well they do saga every day. I think that's why you people they spray them. So now they give me star if I dey beat Monica. Say shout for me. Shout for me. No wonder that they buy a gift. Ya gbede gbegbe. Ya upopona. Nyeze ya gbegbe obunwa. Anybody where they join a bit, me no they care. Yeah, buwa. Ni me ya buwa. Yeah, mujuwani na zen. Mujuwani na zen. No ye boya see me with live video. Buy me fridge, buy me house, buy me motor, buy me this. Yeah, buy. You popo. You don't know the meaning of friendship. You don't know the meaning of love. Una we dey there. Una we dey there. Una not buy anything. Una not go spend money for your life. You know, you see, me when you give her even you see they see mad, they say talk less of una way, don't give her anything. Or they don't go out to you. Vera Benjamin. Vera Benjamin. Benjamin. Vera Benjamin. Benjamin. You listen. Yeah, go out to you. UK people will be giving me money now if I beat you. You know, UK people don't like you. They don't like you. I would use my repay. They deal with you so that they will not say I'm alive. Bambiala. Bambiala. Yes, boy, you will plug out to tau bien bewa. You think that you forget me so soon. You forget, say, you never tell where I leave your pants. Because that pants, why I be holding, because it they touch your clitoris. That's why I be holding. Make you know they do your trouser. When. Or go better. Or a trouser I want take the clitoris. The clitoris already, Monica. I tell you, I hear and say, he say my peck was not sweet. A peck you. Where Monica you? If you wear pants, the clitoris will they touch the trouser. I was like, well, Ambrose, come on for roads. Come on for road. 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 Where, this says, radio. A cow headed bay, Yamwero Barre, Ambrose, Yamwero Barre, Ambrose, I was go back. Or home of you, is they sleep. I will to love. Ambrose, get it, go. When only go, or no yati feke, fou, won't hear of feke, fou, Oniero. Igwe fie kun so e. Awe fake fou. Wait. You get mad the truth to my children. You see, I never beat your children. No. I forgive you for number one when you do insult my children. Because I know that your insult is staying in your house. Your insult is staying in your house. Ambrose, when you open her nose, now I'm going to beat. Ambrose, when I know the day when they give birth to her. Chihuahua, when you know the shape. When they bring disgrace to some men. If you see some people will see Ambrose where they don't would like to marry Benin. They don't say some Benin women, they are very good. They will say, you don't know when they will kill over. Hey, not be all, my people. My son brother, if you want marry them, make you notice first, because you don't tell whether they do. It's not now. When any woman when you carry for glass house, iye-eki, ya demonstrate with glass house. It's sure for you. It's sure for you. It's a sure for you. It's sure for you. It's sure for you. 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 Bell. You understand? For your children, I will forgive it. But if you do another one, see what those are your children? What do you think you can do to my children? You cannot do anything. Sometimes I put them for coffee. Is there anything? You didn't do anything. Because I have to return them to the owner. You don't know? If you try, I will use one of your old cover up. You understand what I mean? If it's too much, Who me? The Chris? You will never lay egg for ground. Who me? Eh? I be we no fear body even you a fear body me. Na me your second. O ma ya ye na fiango weko. Ma fiango weko. Ma dogu me with competition gbin na gbin agboewa. No tono do no ho here one. I'm sorry for others when they go Benin. When I go Benin, you see the blessing of God touching me to deliver the evil atrocity that you are doing. You understand? How many people they bring this kind of blessing come from Eastern land or from Benin? Because of the full of evil. You know, see, when I come and reach Benin, I set many people free for the actual camp. Am I lying? When